Best kitchen organizers that will help you in your kitchen, save space and give you a good looking kitchen. So this is a corner stand. As you can see, it is shelved in this way. Also you have these kind of corner stands which you get in 2 or 3 tires. In these you can keep your small masala packs in a plastic jar or glass jar. Now this is another roll away stand which fits in between 2 gaps. Say you have a gap between your refrigerator and the table, you can fit in this rack and save your masalas here. This also helps save space. This organizer is very useful in your cabinets because on these you can place your pots and pans, and this will avoid your pots and pans from getting scratches when they are placed one over the other. In this way you can arrange it nicely and keep it inside the cabinet. Another one here is a hanging side shelf which hangs to your cabinet door. In this you can save any tiny stuff which will be very useful because this area does not get used. Next we have an organizer for your kitchen drawers. So instead of just keeping your spoons, forks and other knives and all just scattered away in the drawer, you can organize them in this way and place them in your drawers. This is a hanging shelf also where you can place your spatulas, your knives, your scissors, spoons and all. It will keep them in one place organized. In case if you have an open shelf, this slide away holder is very useful. You can even hang the tissue roll to this holder. At the same time, what happens is that empty space which is not used will get used up because of this thing. Next we have is Lazy Susan, very useful in the kitchen also, as well as to keep your toiletry items in the toilets, as well as to keep your kids stuff organized on their study table. These are very accessible when placed at corner areas. You can have all your stuff in one place with a rotating basket kind. Now this is an organizer which is useful under your sink area. The sink area is usually very untidy. This can be dismantled very easily and placed under your sink area, and you can organize all your stuff, cleaning stuff there. This is one more organizer to be placed in your cabinets where you can hang all your bottled pickle stuff and as well as other bottled items inside these organizers. This organizer is useful in the kitchen as well as inside the fridge, where you can keep your veggies at different, in different baskets at different sizes and save them. This is very useful. Now the area above your microwave always goes to waste, so the best way is to use this organizer, which will help give you some space to keep other items on top of the microwave stand that you have. Did you find these organizers helpful and useful? Then please do share it with someone you know who's in need. And for more of such videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Tip Lab. Bye.